Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Verify Windows 11 Edition and 64-bit, then make sure hardware virtualization is enabled in your UEFI/BIOS. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or the Windows Features dialog. In PowerShell, run Enable Windows Optional Feature Online Feature Name, Windows Sandbox All, or check the GUI and tick Windows Sandbox. After the feature is enabled, restart the PC so Hyper-V and Sandbox components load, and you can continue with setup. Once the system restarts, open PowerShell as administrator and run Enable Windows Optional Feature Online Feature Name, Microsoft Hyper-V, all if Hyper-V isn't present. Then run systeminfo and look for Hyper-V requirements to confirm virtualization and memory protection are enabled. Make sure Windows Sandbox now appears in the Start menu. If it's visible, you're ready to launch. If not, repeat the enable command and reboot, because these steps initialize the underlying virtualization stack. Open Windows Sandbox from Start and note it runs as a fresh, disposable desktop. Copy installers or files inside for safe testing. You can create a WSB XML configuration to map folders or customize networking if needed. When you close the sandbox, everything is discarded, which is why it's great for one-off tests. If the sandbox fails to start, check BIOS virtualization and confirm Hyper-V and the sandbox feature are enabled. Reboot after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.